Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Ahmad called his mother in excitement after waking up. His mother, who was in the kitchen, came to him. "What happened, Ahmad?" she asked. "I had a dream," Ahmad replied. "I was in the shrine of Imam Raza, and the courtyard was full of pigeons. I was following them. Mom, my heart yearned for Imam Raza. Shall we go on a pilgrimage?" His mother said, "God willing, we will go at the end of the year during the school holidays." It was a wonderful spring day. Ahmad's parents had managed to save enough money for the tickets to Mashhad, no matter how difficult it had been. Moving Ahmad, who was in a wheelchair, proved to be challenging. The doctors had recommended surgery for his leg, as his condition could worsen otherwise. Ahmad had been struggling with both leg and back pain for some time, and was unable to walk properly. Upon arriving at the Revolution Square in the shrine of Imam Raza, Ahmad, with unwavering faith, was tied to the steel window with hope. He sat in his wheelchair alongside other patients in front of the steel window. Exhausted, he had fallen asleep when suddenly he saw a green light that outshone all the other lights. A beautiful figure approached Ahmad and placed his hands on his body. Ahmad was captivated by the presence of this great personality. Suddenly, he found himself able to speak and asked, "Sir, are you a doctor?" The man replied very kindly, "You know me very well. I am your beloved Imam." He then requested Ahmad to get up, assuring him that he was now well. Ahmad woke up, his heart racing with the newfound strength from that radiant light. He got up and stood on his 2 feet. There was no sign of leg and back pain. Ahmad's mother couldn't believe her eyes when she saw her child standing. She quickly hugged Ahmad and asked, "Ahmad, are you healed?" Ahmad happily replied, "Mom, now I'm not just Ahmad, I'm Ahmad Raza." The scent of Muhammadi flowers filled the air. Tears of joy streamed down the faces of Ahmad Raza, his mother, and those present, creating a memorable scene. In that moment of pure miracle and love, Ahmad Raza whispered, "With faith, anything is possible."